Welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox this, what my mama gave me for finishing my PTs, and sorry for not posting anything lately, and because I'm busy with school. So don't forget to like and subscribe. There we go. Gosh. This is kind of hard. Got my pen, look at it. Here are my pens. Like, I already unboxed it, so. Hello! Look at it. Oh my gosh! My mom gave me a calligraphy pencil. Look. Everything's going out. Look at it. This is what my mom gave me. She taped it up. Why are there a lot of calligraphy pens? That's weird. Oh my gosh. What's this? What's in the big thing? Ah. Whoa. What's this? Oh, wow! My gosh! Someone gave me stuff like that. Oh. Something fell. Okay, I'm gonna put everything right here. I have no idea what this is, but it's like a pet brush. Puzzle. That's something. This is my mom's. Not everything's for me though. So this is like a weird thing. This is inside here. I'll call my hand. Here's a glue. Here's glue. And tape. Oh gosh. Whoa, both sparkles. Whoa. My mom bought me lots of paintbrushes. Like literally. I said paint set 1, paintbrush set 1, and paintbrush set 2. Here's the second set of paintbrushes from my mom. Here's some what this is? Like I forgot what this is. I have to get this for mom. I can take off my candle. I think this is a candle. It is. Ow. This hurts. How did that go there? nuts. I want not sticking on. This one. Don't fall. It's a pink ball. Finally got mom. Lit. Let's throw this everywhere. Just take it out from. I'm gonna let the trash out now. I have no idea what this is for, so I have to open everything. Oh, it's like a paintbrush. So I think. Oh my gosh! I should have thrown that. This is Chinese. Why? But it says here we have to twist it open and put it in water. Then wait. It's like a mini paintbrush. There it is. This is my lucky that my mom got it like this. Oh. Lucky mom. How can she have? How do? Oh, I don't know. This is all for my mom. I'll put it in my bed. Spray everything with alcohol. Or do I have to? And put this. Put all Okay, I'm gonna tour up everything. I'm gonna do a tour of everything. Because you didn't really get to see the whole thing. So yeah. I'm putting everything in line. This is everything. Okay. So, wait. And my slipper. Okay, first here are the brushes. Here are the two brushes. This one's flat. This one's like for calligraphy or something. Next, I forgot what these are. So this. Now here are pens that erasable pens that I got because my classmate has it, and my mom got me these two calligraphy pens, and this one's like a paintbrush. Yeah. This one's like a paintbrush. And here's some washi tape. My mom bought me a washi tape. So, yeah. And the one that's behind it like this, the white thing, is a canvas. I put it there because, oh, I forgot about this glue thing. Forgot about this glue. There. So I think that's it. Thanks for watching me unbox my gift from my mom. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!